Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to link pages in Shopify. So simply just you have to click on online store and you will get to move theme. Just click on customize button. So now here in the set bar you can see we will add some page here. So like I click on this page and now create a new page. Just type the name here and click on create template. Now we are going to add another page here. So simply click here. Now click on pages. So now here you can see a create template option. Just type the second page here. So now we want to link all these two pages. You can also add multiple pages here. Now just click on pages and now here you will find the contact option. Just click here. So we have also added this page. And now what we need to do, just you have to click on these pages and you can see we have added 3 pages here. Just go there, click on pages and now click on default page assign. So in this way you can easily link all pages in Shopify.